Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
All right, noting that it is 7:03, I will call this meeting of the Public Safety and Human Services Committee to order for February 25th, 2025. First item on the agenda is public appearances for non-agenda items. We have nobody here. The next item is consent agenda.
I'll move approval of the consent agenda.
Motions are made to approve. Any discussion?
Just note that we had five new applications, 5 new licenses, and various businesses.
Yeah. Yep, we sure do. All right, any discussion on any of that? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next item is the review of the following license applications for sound permits. These are 4 recurring events that have happened in Fitchburg, and so nobody is here to appear because they've appeared before. The first item is Jess Lex Homes Ice Cream Social, which is a recurring event to be at 5940, or to be at McKee Farms Park Pavilion, 2930 Chapel Valley Road, Fitchburg, on August 14th, 2025, from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. with amplified live music.
I'd move approval.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Next item is the Blackhawk Church Fitchburg Annual Church Picnic, which will be at McKee Farms Park, also 2930 Chapel Valley Road, on Sunday, August 24th, 2025, from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. with amplified sound. Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next, we move on to SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital Madison Volunteers Picnic, and this will be at the McGaw Park Shelter, 5236 Lacey Road, Fitchburg, on Friday, June 27th, 2025, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. with amplified sound.
I'll move approval.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. And finally, we get to the Fitchburg Center Farmers Market, which will be at 5511 East Sherrill Parkway at the Agora Pavilion every Thursday evening, beginning May 1, 2025 to October 30, 2025, from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. with amplified live music.
Move approval.
Motion's been made. Any discussion?
Just that it's fun to go there for that.
It is.
Event. I would encourage all residents to at least stop once during the season.
Yeah. Ooh.
Is it windy?
I think it's Santa.
Animal up there?
It might be ice.
Yeah, probably sliding.
Any discussion on this item? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Next item is that our next meeting will be on March 11th, 2025. And then we come to
I move for adjournment.
motions been made to adjourn. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. The meeting is adjourned at 7:06 p.m.